Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Swiss, overall on the higher time frames, I am definitely very bearish, and I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did just keep on going down because, as always, the trend is your friend. But looking at this 1 hour time frame, I think that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up, like possibly an A. This looks like a possible expanding ABC of B. We are currently at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, so it definitely seems like a really good place for this to perhaps start another uptrend for a wave C. And then maybe mid next week is when we'll get the continuation of the downtrend, a nice shorting opportunity. But definitely be careful, use good risk management because these big news events can be a little unpredictable. Sometimes you can even be right about your direction, but then it does like a big stop reversal before it goes in your direction. So definitely be careful. And don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.